Hi, I'm Marie France. This is VideoPad, and I'll show you today one very interesting effect, shaking effect. So this is our image. I'm drag and dropping in onto the timeline and doing zoom out and changing the duration to be a little bit longer, something like 7 seconds. Okay, the result of our effect to be visible better. Okay, so let's do right click of my mouse on my image and choose effects, and here I'm choosing shake. This is our effect, and let us see. So there are a few possibilities. I can do horizontal shaking, vertical shaking, rotation, and I can change the frequency of shaking, and let us see, and I can animate this effect. So let's see, if we have such a settings, we have such a effect, so it's good. Let us change, for example, let us remove vertical shaking and increase by sliding this slide or changing here the data by clicking on those arrows or typing directly here. So I'm increasing the horizontal ratio. Let's see how it will be. So shaking is bigger and I can animate it. Okay, for example, we want at the very beginning, I'm adding keyframe, the ratio of shaking to be 30 horizontal, and then something like in the middle of our time period, after 3 seconds and a half, it to be smaller, something like 11. I'm adding new keyframe, and at the very end it's like to be no shaking. New keyframe, let's see. More shaking, less shaking, no shaking. That's it. The same can be done with vertical shaking. Oh, let's see how it will be. Okay, so let's remove horizontal shaking and add vertical shaking. Computer has to think about a little bit. Yeah, I think it's interesting and useful in the animation. Yes, I will definitely use it in my videos. Okay, and let's see rotation shaking. Oh, this is maybe the most interesting. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day.